Route 1, Pontiac Duvarin, inbound. Current location is on Bonesteel at Pierpoint Commons. From the stand at Pierpoint Commons, we're going to proceed to the stop sign. That stop sign is Murphin. We will make a right turn. Again, this is the inbound number 1, Pontiac Duvarin, currently on North Campus. Ask you to remember that Ann Arbor have a crosswalk law which allows pedestrians to have the right of way. Whenever you see a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, you must yield the right of way to that said pedestrian. Continuing on Murphin, we ask that you use extreme caution and patience. This is a high residential area for the university. Exercise care and caution. You have the Northwood Apartments coming up on the right side. The North Campus Rec building to the left. Continuing on Murphin, at the stoplight that will be Plymouth, we will be making a right on Plymouth Road. Again, right-hand turn onto Plymouth Road. Flashing yellow lights in the distance are the crosswalk. On Plymouth Road, we have a lighted crosswalk for pedestrians. The pedestrians can hit a button and it will indicate the crosswalk is being utilized. An advance notice is given with the yellow flashing lights. Remember to yield the right of way to any pedestrians in the marked crosswalks. Once we've passed this intersection at Travelwood, there's one more lighted crosswalk. There's a stop just beyond that crosswalk. After we have serviced that stop, we must get over in the left lane as quickly and safely as you possibly can. As the next stoplight, we will be making our left turn. Approaching Nixon, we will be making a left turn. Making the left turn at Nixon, we will be approaching Plymouth Mall. Again, this is a time point at the bus stop here. Right here. Going to continue to the roundabout. We're going to be making a left turn, so we're going to have to do a little semicircle around the roundabout in order to make our left turn onto Huron. Approaching the Traverwood branch of the Ann Arbor Library on the left-hand side. Very popular destination. Trevor Ridge Apartments is to the right. At the end of Huron Parkway here, you can only turn right. This is going to place you onto Tubingen. And you're only going to be on Tubingen for about a block or so before you make your right turn onto Traver. Make your right. Now you're on Tubingen. After you've serviced the stop here, you're going to proceed to the stop sign where you will make a right turn. This is Traver. Continue on Traver. There's a Logan Elementary School on the left side. Popular destination. At the stop sign, we're back to Nixon. Gonna make our left turn. Approaching Green Street. Green is to the right, Devarin is to the left. We're going to make our left turn here after we've concluded our stop and proceeded through the intersection. We're going to make our left turn onto Devarin. Coming up to our next time point, which is Duvaret and Amosad at the stop sign. Continue straight through. Proceed across the tracks with caution. Coming up on Carrot Way, we're able to see in the distance the orange carrots to the right. The Carrot Way Apartments and the Carrot Way Distribution Center. Continuing west on Duvarin. At the stop sign is Pontiac Trail. We're gonna make our left turn. We're approaching the Arrowwood Housing Cooperative. The stop at Arrowwood is at Time Point. Continue north on Pontiac. Coming up at the stoplight, Barton Drive. Continuing north on Pontiac Trail. See our outbound number 1. Proceed across the tracks with caution. Continue straight. At the end of this stretch, the road veers off to the left. It's going to take us to Broadway. Going to make a right turn at the stoplight. Making a right turn onto Broadway. Want to keep straight over the Amtrak bridge. Over the bridge, Broadway turns into Beeks. And is at this intersection here of Beeks and Summit. And we have a time point. This is also a shared route with the 2C as well as the 17 at this point. We'll make our left turn here at the flashing light, which is 5th Avenue. It's going to take us through Carytown. We're going to continue south on 5th Avenue as we're crossing Catherine. During weekdays, the 1 is typically routed with the number 7. We're going to treat it today as if that is happening. We're going to continue north on 5th Avenue, crossing Washington. We're going to make a right turn at the stoplight, which is Williams, as we're now entering into the Blake Transit Center area. Blake Transit Center.